it exists, this is named as hydrogen bond. In case of alcohol, these hydrogen bonds have been present. In case of alcohol, these are the hydrogen bond. Means because this alcohol is a separate alcohol, this alcohol is a separate alcohol. Okay, sorry. This alcohol is separate and this alcohol is separate. Between two, it is alcohol molecule. So that is called as intermolecular hydrogen bonding. If this hydrogen bonding is present between the one hydrogen molecule, then it will be called as intermolecular molecules, two alcohol molecules. So point is proportional to the boiling point is proportional to the hydrogen bonding. Boiling point is proportional to the hydrogen bonding. Okay, so hydrogen bonding is proportional to the boiling point. So here it is we can say that for the higher hydrocarbons like the propanol, with butanol and the hexanol, for that compounds the intermolecular hydrogen bonding is being not that will lead to less number of hydrogen bonding. If suppose here ethanol, the OH is present one, OH simple OH, one OH is present, then it will do one hydrogen bonding. Okay, but in case of ethane 1,2 diol, here two OH is present, so it will do more than one, greater than one hydrogen bonding. So higher number of hydrogen bonding is occurred in the ethane diol, ethane 1,2 diol. Similarly, propanol, here one OH is present, but in propane 1,2,3 diol there is three hydrogen. OH group, extra 2 OH group. Okay, and the plus the charge will be there. Van der Waals forces of attractions, okay, between the molecules. If suppose in case of alcohol, if the electron density in case of oxygen is much greater than the other alcohol, then this alcohol will attract more H plus towards it. So that is why the more number of Van der Waals forces of attraction or hydrogen bonding will be there. Okay, so higher the amount of higher the amount of electrons present in the molecule, present in the alcohol, higher will be the hydrogen bonding. That is why higher will be the boiling point as well. So here you can say that in case of methanol, it has less methanol and propanol. So there one of the most important factor in case of boiling point. Okay, so higher the bunching of the chain, it decreases the surface area. Higher the bunching is decreases, the lower is the surface, smaller is the surface area or contact area between the molecule. So if the lower is the surface area, then the Van der Waals forces of attraction will be less. If bunching increases, then surface area will be decreases. Okay, that will lead to less number of hydrogen bonding or Van der Waals force of attraction. Hydrogen bonding or Van der Waals forces of attraction will be less. So if bunching increases, so the surface area will be decreases, so that the Van der Waals forces of attraction will be also decreases. So the hydrogen bonding decreases. That will lead to decreases the boiling point as well. So here we can say in butanol the bunching is not there, so it has the plus 118, that is 118 to lesser number of hydrogen bonding or Van der Waals forces of attraction, and that will leads to lesser boiling point. Okay, so the next property is solubility. So solubility, in case of solubility, we have already been discussed this solubility, physical property. These properties are mainly depends on the mainly proportional to the hydrogen bonding between the alcohol, that is the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, so here we know that in case of lower alcohols, that is methanol, ethanol, propanol, there are hydrogen bonding is more preferable in case of lower alcohol, because here in case of lower alcohols the intermolecular hydrogen bonding is more, because the distance between the alcohols or between the alcohol is low, so that is why the more number of hydrogen bonding is present there. As the more number of hydrogen bonding is present, that is why they are very much soluble in the water, because they can do the hydrogen bonding with water as well. Lower alcohols like methanol, ethanol and propanol can do hydrogen bonding with water, so that they are getting more soluble in the water. But the higher alcohols like butanol, hexanol, pentanol, they cannot do hydrogen bonding with water, so they are less soluble in water. Okay, here we can say that here the higher, in case of higher number of alcohol, in case of higher number of alcohols, suppose ethanol, sorry, ethanol, here or between where the hydrophobic part will get increases. Okay, so as the hydrophobic part increases in the higher number of alcohols like butanol, pentanol, hexanol, the hydrogen bonding between the oxygen and the alcohol. Okay, so higher number in higher extent, then it will be the water and the alcohol will not be soluble in a large extent, because there is a reduced number of hydrogen bonding present between the alcohol and water. Okay, and the third point, the last point, is the acidity of alcohol. Okay, the acidic character of the alcohol is due to the polar nature of OH bond, because the oxygen is more electronegative and hydrogen is less electronegative, so there is a almost 1.2 or 1.3 or 1.1 electronegativity difference between the oxygen and hydrogen, so that is why oxygen will attract more the bonding electron pairs towards itself, so that is why it becomes O del negative and hydrogen del positive. That is why it becomes more in case of the electron withdrawing group. In case of alcohol, if any electron withdrawing group is present in the alcohol, then it will attract more the bonding electron pairs towards the oxygen, and hydrogen will getting del plus, not here it will getting that positive, that is H plus, and leaving the system. Okay, so that is why it gets the donating, it get to donate the H plus like acid, so that is why the alcohol are behaving as an acid. Okay, so that is why they are calling that acidic character of alcohol is due to the polar nature of OH bond, and alcohol releasing the an electron releasing group, that is the plus I group. If the plus I group is present in the alcohol, if the plus I group is present in the alcohol like CH3, C2H5, they will increase the electron density towards the OH bond, so that is why the it will decrease the polarity of OH bond, and that is why the O del minus and H del plus will be there. There will be no H plus, pure discrete H plus will be present there, so that is why H plus will not leave the system. That is why there will be the less amount of acidity, because we determine the acidity on the donation of H plus. If H plus does not leave the system, that means that alcohol will not donate the H plus. So that is why if any alcohol due to presence of plus I effect, there is a electron releasing effect, releasing group does not donate the electron, does not donate the H plus, because if this electron donating group increases the electron density on the oxygen, so that the oxygen does not attract the electron from the bonding electron pair of the OH bond too much, so that the hydrogen will not leave the system as H plus. So that is why it decreases the assistant. If the plus I group, that is electron donating group present in the alcohol, then the acidity will decreases there, so that in the primary alcohol the plus I R group is 1. In the secondary alcohol the R group is 2 R groups are present there. In case of tertiary alcohols there are 3 R groups are present there. So more number of R group, more number of R group, lesser will be the acidity. The lesser will be the acidity will be lesser. Acidity will be lesser. Okay, so here more number of R groups, the primary alcohol will be more acidic, the secondary alcohol will be less acidic, and the least acidic is the tertiary alcohol. Okay. So, however, alcohols are weaker acid. As we have already said that alcohols are acid, behaving as acid, but they are not the strong acid. They are the weak acid, and however, the weaker than the water. We can see that here alcohol acts as a base and water acts as acid. So that alcohol is water donating this hydrogen, and this hydrogen is accepted by alcohol like a base. So this hydrogen is donated by water and accepted by alcohol like a base, so forming ROH and OH. So here in this example you can clearly see that alcohol acting as a base and water acting as an acid. So alcohols are the weaker acid than water. Okay, I hope you guys have understood this. If you have any doubt, then ask me freely. Okay, thank you.